They tell you a salary is safe. But here's the truth. A salary only pays you after you trade time for money. Miss work, income stops. Inflation rises, salary stays behind. Expenses grow, savings shrink. The system teaches you to feel comfortable, not financially free. Security isn't a paycheck, it's control over your income. You work harder, you get promoted, you earn more. So why do you still feel broke? Because taxes increase with income, lifestyle upgrades eat raises, debt replaces discipline. The system rewards consumption, not ownership. Working harder inside a broken system doesn't fix the problem.
Schools teach how to get a job, how to be obedient, how to wait for monthly pay. They don't teach cash flow, investing, asset building, money psychology. The salary trap works because you were never taught the escape plan.
Your salary flows like this: salary to rent, to EMIs, to bills, to subscriptions, to taxes. What's left? Almost nothing. Meanwhile, banks earn interest, corporations earn profits, governments collect taxes. You stay busy, they get rich. The system needs workers, not owners.
You don't quit your job overnight. You use it. Save first, spend later. Build assets, not just savings. Invest monthly, even small amounts. Create income beyond salary. A salary is a tool, not a destination. The goal isn't more income. The goal is freedom from dependence on one paycheck.